So today we're going to discuss value of mentorship. Mentors. Who is a mentor? Any person who can guide you, tell you, or instruct you, or teach you in a way that it inspire you, it improve you in physical, spiritual, mental, and financial dimension. That person is a mentor. Mentor can allow you to cover a distance of 10 years in just months because mentor have those experiences which you don't. He can tell you where are the bumps, where are the trenches, where the road is just not smooth, where the road is smooth, where you need to be worried, where you need to be calm. He can tell you all those things. Okay, so make sure you stay calm while learning from a mentor, of course. These things matter a lot inside dimensions. Let's see what Google says. Value of mentorship. Tony Robbins says the best way to train is to get mentor live or by reading or by watching videos by master. That's where you start executing based on a lesson from the best. Let's say what Warren Buffett mentor was Graham, you can say Warren Buffett teacher. There was a teacher, Benjamin Graham. He was Warren Buffett teacher. Now let's go with everyone has a mentor in one way or another. We need to understand. You can get a course, you can get some sort of any sort of thing for them, and you can just improve yourself. It will take time, but mentorship is a great asset. A great teacher can turn your life around in no time. Remember this, and it is not a simple or easy thing. You need to understand this. There are a lot of courses for here. You can just go you can listen to podcast, you can listen to podcast, YouTube content, read blogs, books to decide whom to follow. That's all what matters, I hope. So you need to understand that in longer run value of mentorship is a parallel. Whether you talk about Warren Buffett, he has a mentor, Tony Robbins has a mentor, every successful person has a mentor. Even Plato mentor was Socrates, and Aristotle mentor was Plato, and even Alexander mentor was Aristotle. Each and every person has a mentor in life, and great mentors have great students, and great students have great mentors. In Muhammad Ali, one of the greatest boxers of the history, has a mentor, has a teacher. You need to understand these factors, that it doesn't matter whom you are talking about. So in longer run, you need to find a mentor related to your goal, related to your focus, related to your passion, who can guide you. A valuable, a capable mentor can push you 10 years ahead in life. So you need to know these things. It will take you from today to some level ahead in life. Get a mentor today, follow him, and you will be at a spot you can't imagine. Stay tuned for more videos. I will come with more content sooner.